Did you know that you can be paid to be a beta reader on Fiverr? And you might ask, what is a beta reader? And a beta reader is a test reader of an unreleased work of literature or other writing. So it's basically similar to beta testing in a software. So you would give feedbacks from your point of view on the work of the writer, and you can give comments, suggestions, just your feedback. So if you are into literature, if you're into reading, if you're into like writing, anything related to that space, then you can be a beta reader for writers, right? So you're not an editor, right? But you're just reading because it's not the piece that they're asking you to read is not something that is published already. It is something that is like a draft, right? So they want to get your feedback, like what are your suggestions, if there is a missing link, if it could be worded differently to portray what the author is trying to say, or just give your general feedback. So if you're into that sort of thing, then you can provide that service on Fiverr and get paid. And guys, there are persons on the platform that are offering this type of service and are getting paid quite well. All right, so we are on the Fiverr platform right now. And right now for beta reader, there are 2,953 services that are available here, right? So let us just take a quick look and see what persons are offering, right? So for example, let me go on this one. All right, this person says, I will alpha or beta read your work attentively. And currently this person has 6 orders in queue. She is a level 2 seller and has already gotten 644 5-star reviews. So as I've said to you on this platform in many of my videos, that not everyone who you do work for on Fiverr will leave a review, right? So this is really impressive. 644 5-star reviews so far, and she currently has 6 orders in queue, right? So her basic basic package starts at $5, right? And she says that she will do it for 3K words, perfect for checking a portion or chapter of a longer work or for short stories, right? And the standard is 85, which is 50K words, and her premium is $145, right? So you see where you can make some money offering this service on Fiverr. And guys, if you're not sure, or if this is something that you are interested in, you can always like research. You can always watch YouTube videos and find out what entirely is a beta reader, right? So guys, if you are liking the video so far, please like the videos, please give it a thumbs up, guys, because it really helps out the channel, that it can be sent to other persons. YouTube, will send it to other persons who might see this information very useful, and they can start offering this service and start to get some money. All right, guys, so we are on another person who is offering beta reading services. So this person says, I will beta read your book and give you extensive feedbacks and corrections, right? So you can tailor your service as to what you would want to offer on the platform, right? So for this person's package, the basic package starts at $15, and this is a taster pack. And Percy says that I will read a few chapters of your novel, provide an honest feedback, and suggest improvements, right? And her word count is 10,000, right? And her standard package is $80, and her premium is 110. So you see where we're going with this, guys. And as I said, if this is something that you love, if you love to read books, short stories, whatever it is, poems, you name it, you can be a beta reader and provide honest feedback to these authors, right? Let us check out another one. All right, this person says, I will beta read your cozy mystery and provide honest feedback, right? Person is a level 1 seller, has already gotten 25-star reviews, currently has 1 order in queue, right? And her package starts at $10 basic, standard is $20, and her premium is $30. All right, guys, so let us look at someone else. So just giving you different services that persons are offering in the same for the same beta reading service on Fiverr. All right, so this person says, I will beta read and critique your fiction manuscript. So you can either niche down to whatever you want to read. So if it's manuscript, if it's poems, if it's short stories, if it's non-fiction, whatever the author is releasing, and that is what you want to specialize in, then you can tailor your service to that, providing that service for that person, right? Or you can do a multiple service as a beta reader, right? So this person is a level 2 seller, currently has 459 5-star reviews, and has 4 orders in queue, right? And the basic package is $50, right? And this person says that they will beta read up to 30k words. The standard is $75, and the premium is $100, right? This is another one. This person says, I will double beta read and offer inline feedback. This person has 285-star reviews already and 11 orders in queue. Guys, look at this, 11 orders in queue. So you see the potential here, guys. And the basic package is $30, right? The standard is $255, and the premium is $365, right? So guys, if we even say use the basic package, right, and the person has 11 orders, so we're saying, all right, 11 times 30, right? That's $330, right? That person can make, right? So even if we use the standard, which is $255, right, at $11, at 11 orders, sorry, right? $255, right? $255, right? So this person would be earning $2,805. So guys, you see the potential for this type of service on Fiverr. And guys, as I said, it is something that you naturally can do. I mean, if you're into those things, if you love to read and write and all of those things, you can offer this service on Fiverr, right, and get paid, because nowadays most persons want to write something. Either they want to write a book, they want to write some maybe collection of short stories or something, right, or poems, right? And sometimes they would love to get the honest feedback from persons who really enjoy this sort of thing, reading, writing, can develop plots and stuff. So you can be the second eye, give an honest review, give an honest feedback, make suggestions as to where improvements can be made, even corrections as well. So maybe the grammar may not be all that. You can make corrections, suggest corrections to that and all of that. And you can use a tool called Grammarly, which can help you with corrections. So you can use that as well. And you can even offer that as an extra service if you want on your gig. So the potential is endless, guys. So this is another service that you can offer on Fiverr. And as I said, I love Fiverr because I believe it's one of the easiest freelancing platform that you can offer just about any type of service, and people are willing to pay for it. So guys, don't sit on this. Please try. And even if it's something that you want to do but you don't really know, as I say, you can do your research. You can go on YouTube and check out to see videos that are there and what it all entails. And you can even go on Fiverr. There is a link in the description where you can sign up for Fiverr, and you can look to see what other persons are offering, and you can have put up a gig and start making some money, right guys? So if you really enjoyed this content, please like the videos, please share, please subscribe to the channel, guys, and share the videos, guys. Just like it. If you even don't want to subscribe, just like it, just share it to others who might be interested in doing this type of service. Because as I said, if you even have a 9-to-5 job, this is something that you can do. Fiverr is a platform that you can use to get some extra money, because on this channel we talk about the empowered champions. We talk about personal finance, how to manage money. I'm not a financial advisor, but I love to give tips on how you can save money and all of those things, make some extra money, and also some personal development ideas, motivation. Because honestly guys, we know that it's not really easy. Sometimes we say that we want to start something, but sometimes the mindset is not there and we need to change it. So guys, I'm here for you. I'm here to encourage you. I'm here to motivate you to be disciplined, to be consistent. It's not easy, guys. I know, and that's why we are here, to help each other, right? So if you really love this content, please subscribe to the channel, please like the videos, please share the videos, please comment on the videos, please comment what you would like to see on this channel, whether you want me to show you more ideas or what you can do on the Fiverr platform, or different side hustles, that you can create some extra income for your family. So let me know. So thank you all for watching this video, and I really hope that it help you in some way, and also that you can share it with others, that it can help them as well. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye everyone.